Sarvapindi is a popular Telangana snack made with rice flour, peanuts, and spices. Here is a recipe to make sarvapindi at home. Ingredients: 2 cups of rice flour, a half cup of roasted peanuts, coarsely ground, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 green chilies, finely chopped, a quarter cup of chopped coriander leaves, a quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, a quarter teaspoon of coriander seeds, a quarter teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, water as needed. All for cooking. Instructions: in a mixing bowl, combine the rice flour, ground peanuts, finely chopped onion, green chilies, and chopped coriander leaves. Dry roast the cumin seeds and coriander seeds until fragrant, and then grind them into a fine powder. Add the ground powder to the mixing bowl. Add the red chili powder and salt to the mixing bowl and mix all the ingredients well. Add water gradually to the mixing bowl, mixing well with your hands to form a dough that is soft and pliable. Divide the dough into small portions and shape them into round, flat discs of about a quarter-inch thickness. Heat a non-stick pan or tawa over medium heat. Add a few drops of oil to the pan. Place the shaped discs of the dough on the hot pan and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they turn golden brown and crispy. Remove the sarvapindi from the pan and serve them hot with coconut chutney, peanut chutney, or tomato chutney. Note: the peanuts can be substituted with other nuts, such as cashews or almonds. You can also add other vegetables, such as grated carrots or cabbage, to the dough for extra nutrition and flavor.